Hello, my name is Ahmad Amri. I'm from Indonesia. I'm an Arabic language teacher with more than 8 years of teaching experience. I speak Arabic, English, and Indonesian, and I teach students from different background and level. In my lesson, I help students build a strong foundation in Arabic, understand grammar clearly, and develop the reading, speaking, and comprehension skills step by step. I have more than 8 years of experience teaching Arabic in formal education and educational program. I was awarded best speaker in a national Arabic debate competition, and I won third place in a national Arabic debate contest at university level. And I have also written a 3-volume Arabic textbook for senior high school students designed to build Arabic skill in a clear and structured way. My teaching style is clear, structured, and student-centered. I focus not only on memorization, but on real understanding and practical use of Arabic. I specialize in helping students learn Arabic from zero, communicate with confidence, master simplified nahwu and sarf, and use Arabic for general, academic, and Islamic context. أساعد الطلاب على تعلم اللغة العربية بطريقة واضحة ومنظمة. Thank you for watching my video. If you want to learn Arabic with clarity, structure, and real understanding, I would be happy to support you. Book a trial lesson and let's start learning Arabic together. Thank you.